Good morning, friends. This is Lady Flora, and I've got the curtains pulled up today because I just bought a Roomba and I'm gonna try it out, and I'm kind of paranoid that it's gonna eat the curtains. What do you think? So we're going to the birth center today because we're gonna get our photo taken, and here's the little man today doing his baby push-ups. How you doing? Hey, sweet boy. Yeah, that's you. We're driving in the rain to the birth center. It's really, really noisy. Okay, you ready to see mommy? Yeah. Okay. So this is the room that both my kids were born in, and it's pretty awesome. We picked it because of this really cool painting, actually, and
the colors are nice.
And the colors are nice, and I love this sign that says never, never, never give up. This place is really wonderful. I'm really gonna miss it. So we're back in the car. We're all done at the birth center, and we're heading home, but we're running some errands, and my husband's car is in the shop, so we're checking to see if they're done with it. And then if they are, then we'll do the whole like switcheroo thing with the cars. I think there's a Rolls Royce over there. That's pretty cool. You don't see one of those every day. Well, we made it back, and my husband's car got fixed. He had to fix the brakes, and so now it's fixed, and it was a little expensive.
I'm drawing a Roomba, so I draw a fan that's sitting on the wheel.
Yeah. And what's that right there? What's that?
A dragon.
A dragon?
And it got dragons a tummy.
I am dyeing my roots today. It's kind of a long process, and it's really hard to do when you have kids, so I hope that the kids don't wake up before it's done. I'm also making spiralized zucchini, which is really cool. You make zucchini noodles using this spiralizer, and it's really hard to do with one hand, but basically you just crank this and it comes out as little noodles down here, and it's really, really good with soy sauce and onions and sesame seeds. These are really good, raw or cooked. And even though it's pretty much the only thing we use our spiralizer for, I think it was totally worth it. You can also use onions with it, or potatoes, and that's good too. But and carrots as well, and sweet potatoes, and probably any kind of vegetable like that. But it sure makes good zucchini noodles. So here it is. It turned out really yummy. And my husband is actually going to get seconds, so he liked it. Do you like it?
Yes, but my throat hurts.
Aww. Her throat hurts. We're gonna have to find some herbal remedies for you.
But I want to eat my vitamins. Vitamins help me my throat better.